the word number. A mathematical figure or symbol, whole number, decimal number, prime number. And a 3 is a whole number with no fractions or decimals. And pi is a decimal number used in mathematics. 1 to 7 is a prime number, only divisible by 1 and itself. A quantity or amount. Large number, small number, number of people. And a large number of tourists visited the museum last week. Only a small number of employees work on weekends. The number of people attending the event exceeded expectations. A position in a sequence or list. Room number, phone number, number 1. N. My room number is 408 at the hotel. And please write your phone number on the form. She finished the race as number 1 in her age group. A label or identifier. Serial number, reference number, model number. The laptop has a serial number printed underneath. Keep your reference number for tracking the application. The technician asked for the model number of the machine. A musical or performance piece. Musical number, dance number, show number. The cast performed a new musical number in Act Second. Then the school event included a short dance number. He surprised the audience with a comedy show number. To count or assign numbers. Number the pages, number the questions, numbered list. Don't forget to number the pages before printing. The teacher asked us to number the questions on the test. And please organize the tasks into a numbered list for clarity.